Next time, what you're going to do whenever you are going on the stage, just follow these 5 steps. Have you ever grabbed a mic and stood on a stage and you just got a chance to speak in a room full of people? And what you did, like you immediately started talking, and at that moment you realize that your words are running faster than your mind, right? Okay, and at that point of time your voice shakes, your thoughts get scattered, and you are realizing that you're not speaking, you're just surviving the moment. क्योंकि आपको बोला है बोलने के लिए, तो you need to say something. Or so what you're doing, you're just saying, you're just speaking and realizing, oh my goodness, I'm fumbling, I'm getting nervous, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा मुझे क्या बोलना है. And you take pauses, you fumble, and you do not know what to say, though you are a knowledgeable person, though you hold a very good position, or though you know what you need to say, but somehow you get fumbled, right? Or whether it's not about the scenario of the stage, it could be a conversation that you have with your colleagues. For example, there's a group of people, like 5 to 6 people, and all of a sudden किसी ने आपको कुछ बोला कि भाई तुम्हें क्या बोलना है इस टॉपिक पे, and like you were not like ready for that, and somehow that question just pops up and आपके ऊपर डाल दे कि भाई आपको क्या बोलना है इस पे. And what you did, either like अगर आपको नहीं आता तो you remain silent, or if you need to say something, because just as I just mentioned, you need to survive the moment, you start speaking. So ऐसे scenario में क्या होता है, your words runs faster than your mind. And today we will be talking about one mistake that people make when it comes to public speaking, when you face public and when you need to say something. And people, they do not realize that one single and simple technique कि भाई अगर ये technique हम apply कर लें, so it will make wonders, right? So before diving into this video, hello everybody, my name is Dr. Shruti Soni, your corporate communication coach who helps you to elevate your English, communication and personality. And as you know people, agar aapko abhi tak nahi pata hai, so I'm on the mission to make raw videos, like the videos which have minimum cuts, because I'm the one who is going to edit and everything. So this is what I am on mission, so that you actually see that what real communication looks like. And I really appreciate if you're going to subscribe to this channel, because I really want that you should learn a lot of aspects of English and communication that nobody talks about. Because if we are going to look into this field, particularly English and communication, there are many more topics that we really want to learn. And I'm on the mission to help everybody across the world who could elevate their communication skills. Let's talk about that one mistake. What is that one mistake you people are making? Like it could be you. आप गए stage पे, आपने mic पकड़ा and you started speaking. So what you did, what mistake you made, that you didn't take a pause. Yes, there's no pause, no breath, and no thought. Yes, this is what you did. And okay, let me tell you one more thing. I have my notebook, I have my laptop. So definitely, as I told you people that this is going to be a raw video, but definitely I need my key points. So I will be looking at my laptop or at my book just to help that what I need to say next, because ये raw video होने वाला है, right? So see, this is what usually happens, and ये तब होता है जब हम pause नहीं लेते, when we do not know the technique, that the power of pause. Now I'm just going to give you 2 scenarios, okay? There are 2 speakers who walk onto the stage. Now speaker number 1, like the first one grabs the mic and start talking immediately, like बोलने लगे, and जब बोलने लगे तो उनके जो words थे बहुत ज़्यादा fast जा रहे थे. That person was speaking too fast, and you know, that person went and उन्होंने बोला कि okay, hey guys, today I'm going to talk about this, and then that person started talking without taking a pause at the audience, and that person just start talking. So now, like, audience will like try to understand what this person is going to say next, and he's just like rushing कि मुझे जो बोलना है. That is speaker number 1. Now speaker number 2, what that person does, that person walks up, ऊपर जाते हैं, hold the mic, look at the audience, take a pause, smile at the audience, and then started talking. Now just see the difference. मुझे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, आप डिफरेंस बताइए, कौन सा जो स्पीकर है वो ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट दिखेगा? बिकॉज उसने क्या करा, उसने कुछ सेकंड्स लिए, पॉज लिया, वो गया, माइक पकड़ा, उसने ऑडियंस को देखा, कुछ नहीं बोला, ही जस्ट ऑब्जर्व द ऑडियंस को अपने कॉन्फिडेंस में लिया और खुद कॉन्फिडेंट फील करा कि नाउ आई एम रेडी टू से. ऐसा नहीं कि गए, माइक उठाया एंड बोलने लगे, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स कि लोग जाते, माइक पकड़ते, बोलने लग जाते. नेवर डू इट. ओके, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व द ऑडियंस. आप थोड़ा सा पॉज लीजिए, समझिए ऑडियंस को, ऑडियंस आपको समझेगी, एंड ऑडियंस will understand you that you are a person who thinks before speaking, right? That is most important. Like before responding, we need to think, we need to process that information, right? And this is how a confident speaker looks like. And this is what people never focus over. People think that, oh my goodness, silence is my enemy. No, silence is your friend. You just need to know when to use that silence, when to use that pause. So before going for your public speaking, this is what you need to do. Just take a pause of 2 to 3 seconds, observe the audience, observe the room, and then afterwards speak, because these pauses are going to give you three impressions. Okay. Yes, they will do these three powerful things. First thing, that pause is going to make your body calm. Yes, that make your body calm. Your heartbeat is going to slow down, because आप खुद को pause दे रहे हो, तो जब आप pause नहीं लेते हो ना, तो हमारी heartbeat बहुत ज्यादा रेस करती है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा चलती है, और जब बहुत ज्यादा चलती है तो हम बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोलते हैं. ऑन दी अदर हैंड, अगर आप पॉज लेंगे, थोड़ा शांति बनाए रखेंगे, तो आप धीरे बोलेंगे, क्लियरली बोलेंगे. सेकंड थिंग व्हाट इट डज, इट ऑर्गेनाइजेज योर थॉट्स, क्योंकि जब हमने पॉज लिया है, हमारी जो हार्ट बीट नॉर्मल चल रही है, तो आपको पता है कि आपको कैसे क्या बोलना है. इट ऑर्गेनाइजेज योर थॉट्स. थर्ड थिंग, दैट इट कमांड्स द अटेंशन. पीपल विल लाइक पीपल जो काम होते हैं, जो कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं, जो भागा दौड़ी में होते हैं ना, रश में होते हैं, हरी में होते हैं. पीपल डू नॉट लाइक सच पीपल. आई ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको भी ऐसा स्पीकर नहीं समझ में आएगा कि भाई वो माइक आया स्टेज पर, उसने माइक पढ़ा और जल्दी बोलने लग गया और जल्दी बोल के चला गया. यू विल नॉट लाइक दैट पर्सन. अभी जस्ट मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया. आपको वो इंसान पसंद आएगा जो आराम से होल्ड करके ऑडियंस को देख रहा है, ऑडियंस से बात कर रहा है. इट सीम्स लाइक दैट यू आर टॉकिंग टू द ऑडियंस. तो पॉजेस मतलब दैट यू आर इन कंट्रोल. यू शुड नो हाउ टू टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ योर पॉजेस. So next time, what you're going to do whenever you are going on the stage, just follow these 5 steps. The first step, hold the mic. Second step, take a deep breath. Third step, look at the audience. Take a pause of 2 seconds and then start. As simple as that. Just try this technique and thank me later. Trust me, आप मुझे बाद में thank बोलना इसके लिए. So what do you think about this technique? Have you ever used this technique? और अगर आपने use करा है तो what is your experience? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to read your comments. I'm going to reply to your comments. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.